In this video, we're going to learn how to change the page color in a Microsoft Word document. Sometimes, a splash of color can make your Word document look more engaging and professional. Thankfully, Word makes it super simple to do. Step 1. Go to the Design tab at the top of your screen. Step 2. In the Page Background group, click on Page Color. Step 3. A menu will pop up with a range of color options. You can pick from theme colors for a consistent look, standard colors if you want a basic palette, or click more colors if you want something custom. Step 4. Click the color you want to apply. Let's say we want to go with a nice green. The page color instantly updates. No hassle, no fuss. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page color in Microsoft Word. It's a quick way to make your documents pop and stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like. And if you're new here, subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel for more Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.